Hello, how are we doing today? No, I'm not a doctor. I'm Bunny, and this is Eco as Fuck. A show when I tell you just how fucking awesome eco-friendly actually is. Today's episode, yes, it has to do with doctor. I'm wearing a scrub. I'm actually wearing a defective scrub today. Can you see anything wrong with it? Neither can I. That's because its physical appearance has nothing wrong with it. The color of this top was dyed slightly too dark. Because of this one and the 1,000 pieces from the batch didn't get burned or destroyed. Wasteful. So let me show you what else you can do with it. Come along. A doctor scrub is shaped like a t-shirt. The difference is in its fabric. Because for doctors, they need to be super sturdy because they have to go through all that washing to take off all the blood stains and all the nastiness and still retain that beautiful bright color. Now, with those properties, you know it will be eco as fuck. How about we turn that into a bag? I would love my bag to be sturdy, bright, and machine washable. So what I would do is sew off the bottom, flip the top half down, add some buckles and straps, and voila! And with movie magic, we can see. And voila! Movie magic! Now the scrub shirt is a scrub bag. Can you still see the shirt though? Can't wear it anymore. The bottom is being sewn. But now 1,000 scrub shirts got saved and turned into 1,000 awesome bags. That's what we do at Eco as Fuck. And please follow my channel if you like what I do. This is Bunny signing off. Bye. This is another episode of Eco as Fuck. Alright, the magic of film.